Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the Siri shortcuts function in the Scribd application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. Then click on the Siri shortcuts button at the bottom of the page. And here you can see the button enable Siri shortcuts, and just click on the white circle. And if it turns blue, that it means that this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.